Ever notice the piles of paper cups at marathons? So much waste. And they're hard to drink from too. Spills everywhere. Not great when you're trying to keep pace. That's why Hiccup went on Shark Tank with a better idea. A reusable cup made just for runners. Light, flexible, easy to carry. Sip, stash, and keep moving. No more waste. The sharks saw the potential, an eco-friendly fix for race day chaos. Runners love it. No spills, no slowing down. Just quick hydration and back to racing. Hiccup is changing race days and helping the planet, one sip at a time. Catch their story on Shark Tank and follow us for more videos.